Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet channel. My name is Ellen and today is Sunday. Yeah, it's January 11th, 2026 already. So, today's video is usually my usual Sunday video. I come on and I tell you about projects I may have finished, talk a little bit about yarn, project I'm working on, things I may have seen while I was out and about over the weekend. So, this morning I got up and as I generally do was having my coffee, checking my email, and I had an email from Herrschners, a VIP email, and I thought to myself, I am not a Herrschners VIP. We are all Herrschners VIPs today and tomorrow. So the code for, there's a free shipping code for Herrschners good for today and tomorrow with an additional 10% off. That's a pretty good deal. So I will be honest with you, I did go and look around, I put some things in my cart. I didn't hit the button because I did place an order last week, it's not here yet, from Herrschners for some yarn that I need for a project. Then I thought, you know, I went about my morning and I said, I should go check my mailbox, my actual mailbox. You know, with U.S. Postal Service puts 99% of the junk mail. And what was in there? Another Herrschners catalog. And I did get a catalog last week. And, you know, for the most part, I usually look at things online. But I was intrigued because there was this yarn on the front cover that I had never seen at Herrschners. So it's Circulo Bubble Gum and Circulo Sugar Pop. And it's hand dyed for a boutique look. 100% Brazilian cotton. That's the bubble gum. 182 yards per 100 gram hank. Machine wash. 100% Brazilian cotton. It's imported. Very pretty. Okay, that's the bubble gum. Okay, it's speckled. Okay, the Circulo Sugar Pop. It's artesian cotton yarn in delightful hand-dyed multi-colorways. Looks dappled. 100% Brazilian virgin cotton. This one says hand wash. The other was machine wash. So I'm really not sure. They're both Brazilian cotton. One you can machine wash and one you have to hand wash. But this Circulo Sugar Pop has 290 grams per 100 gram hank. They're both saying they're both a 3-weight. So I'm not really understanding that, but I'm guessing this is probably a thinner 3-weight, but that's the colors. Regular price $19.99, on sale for $14.99 a hank. So just figured I'd bring that to my channel. So this catalog is basically last week's catalog with the new yarn on the front cover. So yeah, so for today and tomorrow, Herrschners VIP code, I think it was, I'll post it, I think it was VIP 2026 for free shipping over $35 with the additional 10%. And then this catalog, which if you do shop at Herrschners, probably in your mailbox, $4.95 is good until $4.95 shipping until February 2nd. So that sale's going on for quite a while. So yeah, just figured I'd bring that to my channel. I also did go to Walmart. My local Walmart had some new yarn. I couldn't film there, but I will tell you it was Bernat yarn. It was Bernat Future Inspire, which was a bulky yarn. Bernat Future Hope, which is like a thin chenille kind of, and then a Bernat Fab. So my Walmart had both of those three Bernat lines in their, on the end cap. So I don't know how long they're gonna carry it, but if you do have a Walmart near you and you wanna go feel that yarn, it is there. It's a Yarn Inspirations yarn. Yeah, so it would be nice if Walmart actually had other yarn besides bulky yarn and Red Heart, but it is what it is. Okay. So do you want to see my finished project? So yesterday I was watching YouTube, and Olga Poltava put a new tutorial out, and I said, oh, that's really, I thought it was really pretty. And I actually commented, and she responded, which is nice. It's so nice when, you know, you make a comment and they acknowledge it. I try to acknowledge all my comments. And I realize, you know, bigger channels don't have the time to, you know, comment on on everyone, but I thought it was sweet. So in any case, I had commented that it was a shawl, no, not a shawl, a scarf, easy 2-row repeat scarf that she posted yesterday. And I said, oh, it kind of reminded me of a Valentine, because she did it in red with a contrasting color. And when I saw it, the contrasting colors to me, they're not hearts, but I saw, let me show you, I saw Cupid's wings. So I don't know if you see it, but I see Cupid's wings. So yeah, I was like, needless to say, I had some beautiful yarn, and I made her scarf. So pretty. I think it's pretty. Perfect for, like, you know, put on your coat if you're going to go out to dinner on Valentine's Day. And it doesn't even have to be Valentine's Day. You can make this in any color, but when I saw it, I thought, looks like Cupid's wings. So I'm going to link it below. And let me tell you the yarn I used. Okay, it's a pretty long scarf. It worked up so quickly. Easy 2-row repeat. Okay, it forms its own border. Just so pretty. The yarn I used was, so if you have a hanky yarn and a half, you know, you can make it work. The yarn I used was, because I had only one in this color. The color is lipstick. I'm hoping that Crystal can make some more of this for me, because it's so beautiful. This is Bago Days. It's mercerized merino. It's a number 4 weight, 100% superwash merino, and the color is lipstick. Isn't that pretty? So lipstick red. And then for a contrast, I have this Manos del Uruguay Algeria Grande, which is also a number 4 weight, and the color is wheat. So yeah, it kind of gave me like a vintage Cupid's arrow vibe to the scarf. So pretty. So yeah, so that was my quickie project. Yeah, and I worked this up yesterday. No time at all. You can make a beautiful gift for someone. Okay, and I used about 90 grams for the lipstick red, and about 50 for the contrast. Somewhere around there. Yeah. So so for, you know, if you have a hank, and you want to, and then you have some leftovers, you can make a beautiful scarf. Okay. I will link it below. And that was my finished project for the weekend. So, you know, I'm getting my Crochet back. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful week ahead. And yeah, if you want to make a beautiful beautiful scarf, I will link Olga's tutorial below. And I will see you on the next one. Bye now.